Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into a common problem that you might encounter when working with Helm charts. Picture this, you're running a Helm command inside the application chart, and suddenly you're faced with a weird error message. The error states that the release socket manager does not exist, and it points to an issue in the service.yaml file within the chart. Sounds like a classic problem, right? Now, let's talk about the solution that can save the day. The key lies in fixing a small typo that can have a big impact. By correcting values.health_checks.liveness to values.health_checks.liveliness, you're aligning everything perfectly and ensuring a seamless Helm upgrade. It's all about those small details making a big difference. Problem solved. Building on the solution, let's address another crucial point. By removing the unnecessary double quotes from the selector section inside the service.yaml file, you're streamlining the process even further. Simplifying the syntax by adjusting to app.chart.name and slot values.config.green_slot_name can prevent any potential errors from creeping up. Making these adjustments ensures a smoother deployment experience. Smooth sailing ahead. To wrap it all up, today we tackled a common problem in Helm charts and cracked the code to a successful deployment. By paying attention to details like correcting typos and optimizing syntax, you can navigate through any errors like a pro. Remember, the devil is in the details, but so is the solution. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Catch you in the next one.